Keep thinking about it and slowly release pressure. Think about your card and slowly release pressure. Was that your card?
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
I have the Statue of Liberty here. I'm gonna make it disappear here in the middle of New York. You ready? Boom!
Hell no.
I have a straw here. We're gonna make it levitate.
How the hell did you do that?
I'm gonna make your wildest dreams happen.
Damn. So which one of us gets to have it?
I want you to go ahead and tap one card. That one right there?
Yes.
Remember her card. Remember the card. Hold this for me. I want you to go ahead and punch me in my chest. Was this your card?
Holy!
Christina, what the?
We're gonna take the voodoo doll. We're gonna go ahead and just burn it just a little bit. Open up your hand. Show us the camera.
No way! No way!
A Sharpie. I'm gonna draw an X. Watch. Ready? Boom. Open up your hand towards the camera. Take a look. What the fuck? It goes from regular to boom. King size.
That's cool.
That's for you, man. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Size.
Deck of cards here and a box. Place the deck of cards inside the box. Boom.
Okay, wait.
Boom.
Oh my God.
What are you thinking about? Spoons. A spoon? Watch this. Oh my God! What? Oh shit! I am the one, I have a box of playing cards here. Watch me make the box vanish off the cards. Boom!
What the fuck? Damn!
Wait. Watch. Boom!
Oh shit! Okay.
Per $1 bill, watch.
Oh my god! Can I stun that?
Watch the penny. Here we go. Watch.
Did y'all see that? Did you see that shit? Y'all see that? She broke that pin. Real pin.
Wait, watch. I'm gonna keep going.
Oh, hell.
Oh shit!
Go ahead, wait. Grab it. Grab the bill.
Take it again.
An ordinary bottle of water. Watch the water. Here we go.
Wait, no. Hold on.
Wait, watch. I'll take the ball.
How'd you do that, bro?
Every single card is different. I want you to go ahead, take your finger, place it anywhere in the deck. Show it to her. Awesome, put it back. Think about your card. It's the King of Diamonds. Yeah? Wait. I know, because every single card is completely different. But if I snap my fingers, watch this. Every card becomes
Get out.
Think about what you did last night to make your card appear.
What the?
No.
This your card, right?
Yeah, this is my fucking card that I thought of.
Watch the rubber band.
Bro, how the f you doing that? Oh, you on some other shit. I'm gone, bro. That's some other shit. That's why I'm telling you. God bless all the children.
Sharpie.
Get that shit out of here.
Worn out faces.
I'm gonna put it back together the wrong way. Jesus.
Oh my god.
Wait, here we go, here we go.
No, like literally, this is not. No way.
Are you the devil?
If you want to learn some free hip-hop magic, I'll leave it down in the comment section below. Just click on the link or comment hip-hop magic and I'll send it to you on Messenger for free. It's Jibrizy and peace out.